Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we want to look at the properties of angles of a polygon. And the question beforehand says that the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon is 24 times the exterior angle. Find the number of sides of the polygon. So in this case, we know that the sum of interior angles is 2n minus 4 right angles, and exterior angle of a polygon is 360 divided by n, where n here is the number of sides and n here is the number of sides. So this is the sum of interior angles, and this is the value of one exterior angle. So we are told that the sum of interior angles, which is 2n minus 4 times 90, should be equal to 360 over n times 24. It is 24 times the exterior angle, and therefore we have that to be 180n minus 360 is equal to 8640 over n. You multiply this by this, you will get 8640 over n. So multiplying both sides by n, so we have 180n squared minus 360n is equal to 8640. So if we divide through by 180, divide through by 180, then we get n squared minus 2n is equal to 48, and therefore n squared minus 2n minus 48 is equal to 0. So we can solve this. We can solve this one. We can look for two numbers that if we multiply we get negative 48, if we add them we get negative 2. So those numbers are 8 and 6. So 8 will take the negative sign and 6 will be positive. So we can use that to expand that so that we have n squared minus 8n plus 6n minus 48 is equal to 0. And therefore we factor out n into n minus 8 plus 6 into n minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore n plus 6 and n minus 8 is equal to 0.
And not x.
n plus 6, and therefore n is equal to negative 6 or positive 8. Now here we take the positive sign because the sides of an angle cannot be negative. Therefore n is equal to 8. Can we find out what is the exterior angle? If n is 8, then exterior angle is now 360 divided by 8, and that one gives us 360 divided by 8, 360. When we divide by 8, that one gives us 45 degrees. That is 45 degrees. So what will be the sum of interior angles? It will be 2 times 8 minus 4 times 90, and that is 12 times 90. 12 times 90 should give us 1080. So if you multiply 45 by 90, if it is this is the sum of interior angle and this is the exterior angle. So 45 times 24 is clearly 1080. So we are correct. So the number of sides of this polygon is therefore 8. So it is a polygon of 8 sided.